Mitochondria versus chloroplast. Stop mixing these up. Mitochondria and chloroplast both make energy, both have their own DNA, both look kind of similar under a microscope. So why are they completely different? Let's break it down. Both of these are called organelles, tiny structures inside cells that have one specific job, and that job is energy. But how they make that energy, and who even has them, is where everything changes. Let's start with mitochondria. You've probably heard them called the powerhouse of the cell, and that's actually accurate. Mitochondria take the food you eat, sugars and fats, and convert it into a usable form of energy called ATP through a process called cellular respiration. Here's the key detail. Mitochondria are found in almost every eukaryotic cell, animal cells and plant cells. Yours, mine, a dog's, a tree's. Everyone has mitochondria because every living cell needs energy to function. Mitochondria don't create new energy, they convert existing energy from food into a form your cells can actually use. Now, chloroplasts. This is where it gets interesting, because chloroplasts do something mitochondria can't. They capture energy directly from sunlight through photosynthesis. Chloroplasts contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which absorbs sunlight and uses it to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, essentially making food from scratch. And here's the big difference. Chloroplasts are only found in plant cells and algae. Animal cells don't have them because animals can't make their own food from sunlight. That's exactly why we have to eat. So here's how these two actually connect. Chloroplasts make glucose using sunlight. Mitochondria then take that glucose, whether it was made by the plant itself or eaten by an animal that ate the plant, and convert it into usable energy. In a plant cell, both of these organelles work side by side. Chloroplasts make the food during the day using sunlight, and mitochondria burn that food for energy day and night. That's why plant cells contain both, but animal cells only contain mitochondria. So remember it like this. Chloroplast makes food using sunlight, only in plants. Mitochondria burns food into energy in every living cell, plants included. One is the kitchen, the other is the power plant. If this finally cleared up the confusion, follow for more biology explained simply, one concept at a time.